Let's have fun learning about shapes, colors, and numbers. 1 blue square. Can you count 1 blue square? 2 red circle. Can you count 2 red circles? 3 green triangles. Count 3 green triangles. 4 purple rectangles. Can you count 4 purple rectangles? 5 orange stars. Let's count 5 orange stars. 6 black hexagons. Count 6 black hexagons and say them out loud. 7 white ovals. Let's count 7 brown ovals together. 8 indigo heptagons. Count 8 indigo heptagons. 9 beige octagons. Let's count 9 beige octagons. 10 gold decagons. Can you count 10 gold decagons? 11 magenta cones. Let's count 11 magenta cones. 12 brown cylinders. Count 12 brown cylinders. 'Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.